Okay, guys, so here we are supposed to find the constant C, the PDF, and CDF, and graph. I may actually go all the way to find the value, the mean, and then the variance, maybe, if I see that. You guys probably already know how to do that, so I'll do the hardest part, which is find the constant C, the PDF, and the CDF. Maybe I'm also gonna show the graph too, but let's try. So the first one is x cubed over 4 from 0 to c. So we would have to do it just this way. The integral, wait a minute, I guess, okay. The integral from 0 to c of x cubed over 4 dx. And what would that equal to? Well, that would equal to x over 4, or x power 4 over 16. When you add 1, 2, 3, that would be 4, you have like 4, that would be 16. And from 0 to c. Now, that would be c power 4 over 16, and that equals to 1 because the probability of everything equals to 1. So c4 would be equal to 16. So C would be equal to 2. We find C. Now, the PDF now would be what? The PDF, we can't just write the PDF because there is that's kind of different than what it was supposed to be. But here the PDF would be the integral from 0 to 2, because c now equals to 2, and we have c, which is an interval, so from 0 to 2 of x cubed over 16. Actually, not 16, 4. That is the PDF now. Now, what is the CDF? The CDF is just taking the x and put a c instead. So we would have the integral from 0 to x c cubed over 4 dt. And it's for the same reason as all the other one that I've shown you before. So if you understand the other one, then you will see that one is the same thing. And that would equal to t4 over 16 from 0 to x. And that would be equal to x over 4, x power 4 over 16. That would be that. And now you can mark your CDF as, oh, that's not what I was going to do. You can mark the CDF as from 0, where x is less than 0, and from x fourth over 16, where 0 is less than or equal to x, less than 2, and 1 when 2 is less than or equal to x. So that would be the CDF. And you guys know the mean is the integral of x times f of x, so that would be from 0 to 2. X times x would be x to the power of, okay, for the mean, x would be x times the CDF, or no, from the PDF, which is x cubed. X cubed times x will be x4 over 4 and dx. And you can do the rest. And the variance would be that's the mean. The variance would be integral from 0 to 2, x5, because variance is the x squared times x times f of x, and that would be that. So basically that's what it is. Now, how are we going to graph this? And for that, that's okay, that's the one I showed before. We're gonna go here and clear that out. Now, let me move this here. How are we going to graph this? This is x cubed, so x, let me do this, x to the power of 3 and divided by 4. That'll be that. Enter. And let's graph that. Actually, yes. Oh, that doesn't matter because we are going from 0 to 2. So F5 tables, click number 7, and lower limit is 0, and enter. Upper limit is 2, and enter. And here we get the graph of here. And remember again, once you've done this, basically from 0 here all the way to here, infinity to negative infinity is just a straight line, which is 0. And once you get to that part where it finishes at 2, it's a straight line from there all the way to infinity. And now let's do the CDF. The CDF now would be x to the power of 4. So x to the power of 4 divided by 16, and enter. Now I'm going to change the window because that's going to be really big. So I'm going to put that as, actually I'm going to change y. Y would be probably, let's say, 5. And let's graph that. Yes, basically. So, and now let's go ahead and click on F5, number 7, 0, enter, and 2, enter, and that's it. This is the integral, or that's the area under the curve. So guys, and remember again, from here up to here, from number 1 here, this is the y, where y equal to 1. From here, that line will be straight all the way to infinity, and from 0 will be straight all the way to negative infinity. And that's how it would look like. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed and understood it. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email, to comment. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed and understood it, and have a good day.